International Nurses Day annual observance held on 12th of May that commemorates the birth in 1820 of Florence Nightingale, the foundational philosopher of modern nursing. On 12th of May, on this day we raise awareness of all the nurse contributions and commitments and acknowledge the vital role that they play in our society. Florence Nightingale was a celebrated English social reformer and the founder of modern nursing. She became well known while taking care of the wounded soldiers during the Crimean War. The Nightingale was dubbed the Lady with the Lamp because of her habit of making rounds at night. Nurses play a very essential role in our medical institutions, such as giving safety or help in the recovery of patients, etc. No doubt when some patients is in need of care, the nurses work tirelessly to identify and to protect the needs of the patient. The theme for 2021 resource is Nurses, a Voice to Lead, a Vision for Future Healthcare. Today, without hesitation, even in a phase of worldwide crisis, every day nurses sacrifice their time, family, well-being to care and protect those in need. Thank you for being among the first to take action, and while we are practicing social distancing, thank you for taking the front lines during this unprecedented time. Thank you for being a hero that our nation looks to in our time of need. And thank you for giving us hope. The second wave of COVID-19 has come up as a waking call for all of us. Unfortunately, people are losing their lives due to shortage of oxygen supplies and lack of essential drugs. While you may be knowing all the tips and tricks of boosting immunity, like drinking karas regularly, eating green and leafy vegetables, and staying hydrated all the time, etc., it is equally necessary for you to keep your respiratory health and organs under check so they can produce oxygen naturally and cut down your dependency on oxygen cylinders if, God forbid, you catch the deadly virus. Proning is the process of making a patient lie down on their abdomen or stomach. Now, this position has been medically proved to improve breathing comfort and oxygenation in patients with low oxygen, as it helps keep the alveolar units open. The things to keep in mind while practicing proning. It is important to avoid proning at least for an hour after having a meal. While proning, if your body experiences discomfort, it is advised to stop the process immediately. The importance of proning are: it relieves pressure on various parts. Prone positioning improves ventilation and stimulates circulation of the lungs. It keeps alveolar units of the lungs open and helps in breathing comfortably. Antioxidants allow the body to use oxygen more efficiently. When looking to boost antioxidant intake, blueberries, cranberries, red kidney beans, and strawberries and plums. Exercise is a key to healthy life. Through aerobic exercises such as simple walking, the body is able to better utilize oxygen while removing waste through lymphatic system. The human body is roughly 60% of water, so it is very important to stay hydrated all the day.